Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy creamy lemon panna cotta, which is light and lovely and a beautiful dessert that you can make ahead, keep in the fridge and have ready and waiting for you when you want a lovely sweet treat. And as always, I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below, which has the full recipe and step-by-step instructions too, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this lemon panna cotta a try and what you think of it. So let me show you how to make it. We're going to start by blooming the gelatin. So pop 2 teaspoons of gelatin into a bowl. Into that we're going to add 1/3 of a cup of water. And just stir it to get it all to dissolve. Perfect. Now we're just going to set it aside, let it bloom and see to our creamy ingredients. I'm heating the creamy ingredients in a small saucepan, which I've got out here, and I'm going to add on a cup of cream. Use heavy whipping, double, any cream you like. ½ a cup of your milk of choice. ¼ to ½ a cup of sugar, stevia, your sweetness of choice. It just depends how sweet you like your sweet treats to be. And just give that a stir together. And now for the lemon in our lemon panna cotta, I'm going to grate the rind, grate the lemon zest. Go for 1 to 2 lemons, just depends how lemony you want it to be. And then for the lemon juice, just squeeze it over a sieve to catch any pips. And again, ½ to lemon, whole lemon, 2 lemons, how lemony you want it, it's up to you. There you go, caught all those pips in the sieve. And now we're just going to pop it over medium heat on the stove top. Just get it to steam, to heat through, but take it off just before it comes up to bubbling point. So I've switched to a whisk. Just whisk everything together on the stove top and just keep a close watch, kind of continuously whisk till it starts to steam. Okay, it's perfect now. It's kind of just steaming up, so we'll remove it from the heat and whisk in the gelatin. So our creamy mixture is nice and steaming. I'm pouring over the bloomed gelatin and just whisk it in to incorporate it. Now I'm happy with that. Now it's up to you how you're going to serve it. If you're going to serve it in glasses or anything that's delicate, allow it to cool to room temperature before pouring it out. But since I'm serving it in ramekins, I'm just going to pour it out now. So I've got a couple of ramekins here and I'll just pour the panna cotta mixture out. And now just let it cool to room temperature, pop it in the fridge to set for a few hours, and I'll show you once I've got my lovely set thickened lemon panna cotta. The lemon panna cotta has been in the fridge for a few hours. It's set up beautifully. I actually put cling film on top, hence the lines on top, just so that nothing fell into it, and it just set nice and lovely. And if we take a spoon into it, you'll see, oh, it's perfect and creamy. Oh, look at that beautiful panna cotta. It's light and lovely and lemony. But that is the video for today for how to make this lovely lemon panna cotta. Came up funny over there. Whoops. There we go. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this a try and what you think of it. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.